If you want to align multiple layers in Photoshop fast and accurately, this is the method you need. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-align layers in Photoshop step by step, so you can fix shaky shots, line up images for a composite, or prep photos for a panorama without doing everything manually. This is one of those Photoshop features that can save you a huge amount of time once you know where to find it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and editing tutorials just like this. First, make sure the layers you want to align are all inside the same Photoshop project file. Auto-align only works on layers that are already in the same document, so if your images are separate files, bring them into one project first. To do that, open your Layers panel by going to Window, then Layers if it's not already visible. Now, hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click each layer you want to align. You want all of the layers highlighted because Photoshop needs to know exactly which ones you want to process together. If one of your layers has a lock icon next to it, like a background layer, click that lock first to unlock it. This is important because Photoshop won't let you properly edit locked layers. Once your layers are selected, go up to the top menu bar and click Edit, then choose Auto Align Layers. As soon as you click it, Photoshop will open a dialog box with several alignment options, also called projections. This is where you choose how Photoshop should match the layers. For most projects, the easiest and best option is Auto. Photoshop is very good at analyzing the images and deciding whether it needs to shift, rotate, or make perspective adjustments. If you're working with standard handheld photos, burst shots, or even some simple panorama work, Auto is usually the right choice. If you want more control, there are a few other settings worth understanding. Perspective is useful when you want Photoshop to keep one layer as the anchor and adjust the surrounding layers to match that perspective. This is especially helpful for architectural images, wide-angle photos, or scenes where the angle changes slightly between shots. Reposition only is the simplest option. It matches the layers, but it won't stretch, bend, or rotate them. That's a great choice if your photos are mostly aligned already and you just need to fix a little handshake. You may also notice lens correction options, like vignette removal and geometric distortion. In most cases, you can leave those unchecked. They are mainly useful if you are stitching a raw panorama and notice dark edges or heavy lens distortion. If that doesn't sound like your project, just keep them off and stick with the default settings. After you've chosen the right alignment mode, click OK. Photoshop will now analyze the layers and process the pixels automatically. Depending on the size of your files and how many layers you selected, this may take a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see the layers shift into place so they line up much more cleanly. At this point, you can zoom in and check the alignment for yourself. If you're working on a composite, this makes it much easier to blend your layers. If you're editing a burst of photos, it helps reduce movement between frames. And if you're building a panorama, it gives you a much smoother starting point before you do any final cleanup. So that's how to auto-align layers in Photoshop quickly and safely. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in your workflow once you start using it regularly. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.